Nottingham, my home city, they banned Bonfire night. £38 million in the red thanks to a bungled energy scheme the city launched, backed by Jeremy Corbyn. Now, Bonfire night has bit the dust because they ran out of money and they want to hit carbon targets. Of course they do. But is this another example of British traditions literally going up in smoke before our eyes? What next? Christmas, Easter, you can bet your bottom dollar they'll never cancel Pride or Eid or Black History Month. Let me know what you think. Do you think our culture is under threat by woke councils? It is Nottingham, the wokest of them all. Perhaps yours is even more woke. Let me know how.